Hello and welcome to ACE 622 Program and Project Planning. I'm Dr. McGinty. I'll be your instructor for this course. I wanted to take just a couple minutes this morning to give you a few tips and show you around our course in D2L. This first page that I'm on right now is the announcements page. This is where I will post video updates from time to time along with other emails and notices related to our course activities. If you click on the content button here, this will bring you to our content for the course. The top left shows the overview. This just gives a few sentences about the general overview of the course. This information is also listed in our course syllabus. There is also in the table of contents, the Getting Started module is the first place that you can start. This module contains the resources such as our course syllabus, IUP library guide, and then links to course questions and course resource discussion topics. Course questions is a great place for you to post any questions that you have. If you can't find something, you can ask your question there, and then anyone in the class can answer. I might answer, somebody else, if you know the answer, feel free to jump in and help each other out. This other discussion forum is for sharing resources. So if you know of a great resource and want to share it, post it there. These two are non-graded discussions. These are just for us to communicate with each other. The other information here under the Getting Started module is the course assignments. They are all listed here for you. Along with the assignments are documents such as the marketing activity that gives you a little bit of insight into how to complete the assignment. The primary assignment for the course is the program plan, and there's a handout here for you on how to complete each step in the program plan. Don't worry, we'll talk more about it each week as we go through, and I will help you make your way through each section of that program plan assignment. Moving on and getting started, if you look under the week 1 materials, you'll notice that there are some tips here for you on what you should be doing for this week. So you want to take a look at our textbook, the Caffarella, Daffron, Severo Program Project Planning in Adult Education, and start reading chapter 1 and 2. By next week, you'll want to have both of those read. You'll also be participating in the week 1 discussion, which is linked here. One thing I wanted to mention about the course discussions is that these are graded discussions. There will be 10 total. To earn full points for each weekly discussion, you will need to post your discussion early in the week, your response to the discussion, and then engage with others in the discussion forum. With that being said, I will not be counting each one of your discussion postings and quantifying that. I'm not going to be a hall monitor in your discussions and keep a tally of how many and who's posted the most and when. What I'm really looking for is that you're getting engaged and that you're talking with people in the class. Some weeks you might talk more than others, and that's okay. It's just like if you were in a normal class. You might not say something every single class meeting, and sometimes you might have more to say than others. That's completely okay. But I do expect to see everybody contributing each week when there is a discussion. You'll notice there is not a discussion every week. So look at the course schedule, which is located in the syllabus. I'll show you that here real quick. Under Getting Started, if you go to the course resources here, the syllabus has the schedule for the activities in the course listed here. If it will open. So here is the course schedule where you can see the different discussions as they're due each week. So the first 4 weeks we have a discussion, but then week 5 we have a week off, picking back up with week 6 and 7 and so on and so forth. So if you have any questions, feel free to post them in the course questions discussion forum. And you're also welcome to email me. My email address is jmcginty@iup.edu. And look for more videos from me throughout the weeks of the course. I hope to get to know each one of you, and I'm looking forward to a great semester. Have a good first week.